Ready.
Oh, gotta get our music.
Ooh, music.
Yeah.
The bird that flies.
The bird that flies almost always has accidents. He almost always bumps into Loveheart.
Oh.
Loveheart is a nice bird who's good at flying. She sees that the bird that flies always flies into things, and she thinks she can help. Hey!
Hey, what's your name?
My name's Loveheart, champion flyer of all the flyers.
Then why are you telling me then?
Looks like you could use some help. You seem to have a lot of accidents.
I could really use the help.
There's a race coming up for the new champion flyer. Want to fly with us? Watch out for Telepate. He likes to cheat.
Okay, help me fly.
Okay, first, flap your wings really hard. Then concentrate on the finish line. Block out everything else. And then last of all, believe in yourself.
Okay, got it. Let's race.
The next day, they got ready for the race. Telepate, the bird that flies, and Loveheart. Ready, set, fly. And it's Telepate in the lead, followed by the bird that flies, followed by Loveheart. Oh no, Telepate tried to cheat and he fell off a cliff. Off a cliff! And it's the bird that flies in the lead, followed by Loveheart, and the bird that flies wins.
Yay.
Hey, good job. I knew you could do it.
Thank you. Want to be friends?
Best friends. That must be Telepate. He's a sore loser. After the race, they decided to hand out trophies. First place went to the bird that flies. Second place went to Loveheart. Third place went to Telepate because he tried to cheat. Right.
The days have been nice since I learned to fly and won the race, but the days also been a little bit weird. Telepate decided that cheating was not worth it, so he became nice again.
Yay.
The end.
Woo! Bravo! Take a bow.
Casey, take a bow. It's very good.
Very nice, very nice.